Hey everyone, it's day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas in July DIYs, and today I have a DIY that I created earlier this year that I'll be using, and I will leave a link for that. And also I'm just taking a sign from Dollar General and just tweaking it a little bit. So let's get right to the DIY. So I'm starting with this sign that I picked up at Dollar General last year after Christmas. The O and the E really have a lot of glitter. So I'm going to take some white chalk paint and paint that after I sand some of the glitter off. Then at that point, I did go in with some white acrylic paint because the chalk paint didn't seem to be covering it. I believe I lost some footage, but the base of this sign I did use a dark gel paint to just go over it to give it a darker look. I'm inserting a picture of the basket that you will see later in the video, and I will also leave a link on how to create it in the description box. And this little piece of greenery with the red berries was on this sign already. I had taken it off and now I'm going to reattach it. And here's the finished items. That's the home sign that I just went over the O and E and then darkened the base on. And the basket in the back, that is a wire basket with some of the Dollar Tree stems hot glued to it. Like I said, I'll link that video below and in the cards, and you can check out how I created that. And then I just used some poinsettias that I had on hand from last year. And that's it, guys. Really simple and quick. Even creating this basket doesn't take that long at all. So I hope you enjoyed this Christmas in July DIY. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 7. Thank you so much to my supporters. It means a lot that you continue to support my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you join. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Have a great day today, and I will see you tomorrow in the next Christmas in July DIY.